This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा भृगुवासरः श्रावण शुद्ध चतुर्थी दिनांक 24 जुलाई 2020 सहस्रयोगम लाक्षादितैलम् शंखं चक्रं जलौकां दधतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनः प्रौढदावाग्निलीलं ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रे अध्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे मातवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दुष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विश्वश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं मीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्र यच्छत्मुनि सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। लाक्षारससमं तैलं तैलान्नस्तु चतुर्गुणम् अश्वगन्धा निषादारु पङ्क्ति कुष्ठाब्दचन्दनैः समूर्वा रोहिणी रास्ता शताब्दा मधुपैः समैः लाक्षिद्धं लाक्षादिकं नाम तैलम् अभ्यञ्जनादिनाम् अभ्यञ्जनादिभिः इति पाठश्चित्तति साधु सर्वज्वर क्षयोन्माद श्वासापस्मार पाप्मजित् तर्हि इदं तैलं पाप्मजित् एवं च यक्षराक्षसभूतघ्नम् इदं महत्वपूर्णम् एवं गर्भिणीनां च इदं तैलं शस्यते तेन गर्भिणीषु अपि अभ्यङ्गः उपयुक्तः न हानिकरः इति अस्मात् सूत्रात् ज्ञायते यत् तावत् सुश्रुते अभ्यङ्गात् गर्भिण्याः अभ्यङ्गात् बालके कुष्ठं भविष्यति इति यः निर्देशः दृश्यते तस्य विषये चिन्त्यमेव यतः बहुषु गर्भिणीषु अभ्यङ्गप्रयोगः प्रयोगः मया कृतोऽस्ति किन्तु कीदृशस्य तैलस्य अभ्यङ्गः करणीयः इत्येतत् तावत् निर्धारयितव्यम्. So if we use coconut oil, that might be a choice in this situation, and maybe we refrain from using tila tail. And this laksha tail is, I suppose, available in the market. So that will be better. सर्वज्वर क्षय उन्माद श्वास अपस्मार यक्ष राक्षस बध भूतघ्न बाधा भूतघ्न गर्भिणी हितकर. Just said गर्भिणी हितकर. So this can be of course given internally, that is fine, but I feel it is lakshadi taila, and if this is available in the market for particular this unmada apasmara and yaksharakshasa bhutagna and Papmajit, this is very specific, so we may try to use this oil particularly for these indications. आरनालादि तैल आरनालाडके तैलं पादसर्य रसे श्रुतं प्रभुते खचितं तोये गर्दाहारतुमुत्तरम्. It's quite simple. पादसर्य रसे आरनालो कांजी So Dhanyamla or Kanji 16 times, Taila 4 times, and Sarjarasa Pada Prabhute Khalitam Toye. So this is to be made like this Shatadhata Vrita. First, the Taila is to be prepared and it is to be washed and in plenty of water and Khajitam. So in that process, we try to do Mardhan with hands, and that might be the thing over here as well. So this is quite good. Aranalaka and Sarjarasa. So it will be converted into a Malahara as such. And Jwaradaharti Nutparam. Jwaradaha and Arti. So this should be good for massage after chemotherapy or radiation. Arunala Tailam. Whether this is available in the market, does anybody know? If not, then it is not very difficult to make it siddha. And maybe we think of this. I had another concept of doing Kumari Siddha Krita and then convert it into Shatadhata Krita for particularly for radiation. Kumari is Rasayana, Shitavirya, and Vishagna. So, and Agnidabdha Vranapaha, something like that. So, in all those perspectives, Kumari is best. So, we may think of this. So, does anybody know that this Aranaladi Taila is available in the market or not? And Jwara, Daha, and Arti, these are specifically seen in after chemotherapy or radiation for both of them. Pound well in a Khalva yantra and collect the butter-like substance obtained during the process and should be used as an external application. Jwaradaha. Vatarakta. There is Arti in the part. He has converted. But I think we should prepare Taila. Take the above drug, above water and pound well. I don't agree with this translation as such. So let us make a Siddha Taila and then Prabhute Kajitan Toye. Then use it in this particular way. So only this Shatadhauta Gruta Sankalpana to be used. Instead of Gruta, here it is Taila, and since it is containing Sarjarasa as well. So the consistency will be like a Madhara, and then that should be fine. So anyway, we try to prepare this. That will be better if it is not available in the market. Pindathaila. Samadhuchishtam sasarjarasa sarivam pindathailam tadapyangat vataraptarujata. So Madhuchishta, Manjishta, Sarjarasa and Sariva. This Pindathaila. There is no mention of Erendas Taila. Manjishta, Sariva, Yishti for Tola each. Dravadravya is taken in the specific quantity. Where is the Dravadravya? Manjushtha Sariva Yashti 4 tola each. So we have to make a decoction of that. And 12 and 96. Bari 37 Bari 98. So this is 8 times. 1/8 of Erunda Tail. So strange, there is nothing in the part as such. And where is Yashti? Manjushtha Sariva, Madhuchishta and Sarjarasa. There is no Yashti. There should be similar part in Vagbata. We may have to look for that. Yashti not in path part. Yes, that is the thing. Either we can go only for Kalka of these and Erenda Sneha 4 times of that Kalka and water 16 times. Can anybody see in Vagbata what is the part?
Same.
Huh?
Same. So suggestion will be come with it.
Huh. Same part. Is there any explanation on that? Huh. So I'm really doubtful about the translation, whole translation. And Pindatal is available, there is no. Tekaraj Adi Tailam. Tekaraja Vimshiti Bhage Patva Taila Bhaya Prativatam. Kasamashu Vinihanti Naranam Ekavrundamyo Maruta Vegaha. Tekaraja Vimshiti Bhage Patva Tailam Abhaya Prativatam. नहीं माहिती. So what is Tekaraj actually? Bhungaraj. Tilataila Mayupala Tekaraj Rasa Vimshatipala. Prepare Taila Vidya about drugs, Kalka, Sneha and Drava Dravya. Kasa. So it is Bhrungaraja Taila and useful is only Kasa. In market, Khajita Pinda Taila is available which contains Dhanyamala. Khajita Pinda Taila. So I think the Sarjarasa has an important role over here. Then the consistency would change and it will become a Malahara. Only thing is this Malahara and the Nivea base, these are very different. So this Malahara is very sticky and people don't like it. On the contrary, the Nivea base is chemical, but it is not sticky at all. And that is very well accepted or something like that. And people need fragrance also into this. So if we can make it fragrant by natural way and to such an extent we are able to reduce the stickiness of that, then that will be fine. So Khajita Pinda Taila. This Khajita process, the khajana with sarjarasa, we may have to try. That will be better. And in Kailash Jivan also, there is the lime water, chanachi nevil and coconut oil. And when it is churned, like this Shapadanta, then it has the consistency of what we get from the Kailash Jivan or something like that. So this would be also the same kind of thing. They have put chandan oil into that and camphor. These are two other important ingredients in Kailash Jivan and such. ABS is Khajita Pinda Taila, Vaidyaratnam is plain Pinda Taila. Okay. So we may have to move on. We may have to think about this. Fine. And this would be helpful in this kind of Malahara Sankalpana. Sarjarasa is anyway used, and even the Madhuchishta over here would be working as a Malahara Kalpana. And let us try this actually, how we can prepare it. Panchavalka Nisha Gopi Kashaya Tilajam Pache. Panchavalka Vidaya. Rambhadi Kanda Madhu त्वक्सेव्याभयचन्दनैः रक्तपित्तोत्तरे कुष्ठ विसर्पे क्लेदवत्यपि स पंचवल्क निशा गोपी कषाय तिलजं पचे रंभादि कंद मधुक त्वक्सेव्याभयचन्दनैः रंभादि रक्तपित्तोत्तरे कुष्ठ विसर्पे क्लेदवत्यपि. Interesting. Let us see the part. So Rambhadi Kanda, Rambha Kamala Utpala Kanda, Madhuka Tvak Sevya Ushira, Abhaya Haritaki and Chandana. So these are the Kalka Dravyas. Tilataila, Dravadravya Panchavalkala, Vata Ashwatha Udumbara Plaksha Parisha, Nisha Haridra Gopi Sariva Kashaya. Raktapittottare Kushta Visarpe Kledavatyam. Raktapitta Pradhana Kushta Kledayukta Visarpa. Raktapittottara Kushta. And in Visarpa, when there is a Kleda also, so is this available, Rambhadi? No, Panchavalkala, Panchavalkadi. Is this available in the market? So Kleda Bahula, even in Kleda Bahula, this is good. So maybe thought of particularly in Kushta and Visarpa. Laksho Shira Balak Vatha Jale Viprastha Mastuke Prishniparni Kadali Kanda. Rambha is Kadali. So it is Kadali Kanda only, but not only Kadali Kanda. Rambhadi would include Kamal Kanda as well. In the, okay. Laksho Shira Balak Vatha Jale Viprastha Mastuke Prishniparni Vishad Bandvam Veharidre Shatavari Jiva Karshivaka Panchavalka coconut oil. Okay. Veharidre Shatavari Jiva Karshivaka Tau Prasna Saralan Devada Rucha मुस्ताविदारी मंजुष्ठा बाधका गुरुवत्सकम कुष्ठलोहित यष्टिंच मधुकंद्वैच शारिवे. Okay. Khajita Pinda Taila is like Leham or AVS. Of AVS, it contains Arnala additional. A different Pinda Taila is available which contains Vruta, Erenda Sneha, Sahachara, and Kanchi. We have three types of Pinda Taila. This one is Valiya Lakshadi Tailam. Yeah. Balakvatha Jale Viprastham Astuke. So this is Laksha Ushira Balakvatha and Viprastham Astuka. कृष्णपर्णी विषाद हरिद्रे शतावरी जीवक शुभक रास्ता सर्वनमस्कार कुष्ठ लोहित यष्टिंच मधुकन द्वैच सारिव. These all should be Kalkat Dravyas. अनंतामलकी मूर्वा मयूरम शिशिरद्वयम् अश्वगंधा कणाकंती तिक्ता शोन्नाक दीप्यकं पाठाभांगिं संमिष्ट्वा तैलप्रस्थं विपाचे ततो मंदाग्निना पक्वं तैलम अभ्यंजनादिना जीर्णज्वरक्षयोन्माद श्वासापस्मार पाप्मचित् बलपुष्ट्यर्धिनां नृणां गर्भिणीनां च शस्यते. So Valiya, this is Lakshadi Tailam Valiya. So again the Falashruti is the same, Unmada, Apasmara, Papma and Balapushtyardhinam, Garbhininam cha Shasyate. So very well Shasta in Garbhini, and this is available, I suppose. Lakshadi Vali and Lakshadi Cheri, both the things are available, I suppose. Pushniparani Visha Dvandva, Visha Ativisha, Dve Haridre, Shatavari, Jivaka, Rishabhaka, Rasna, Sarala Devdaru. Sarala and Devdaru are separate. Balaka Agaru Yash, Vatsaka, Kushta, Lohita, Manjishka, Yashti, Madhuka, Dve Ananta, Amalaki, Murva, Mayura, Apamarga, Shishira, Gajashveta, and Raktakandana, Ashwagandha, Kana, Kaunti, Tikta, Shonaka, Deepyaka, Patha, Bharangi. So quite big part. Yes. Tilataila, Laksha, Ushira, Kashaya, plus Dadimastu, two prastha. And then the Kashaya should be two prastha, Dadimastu, two prastha. Why one prastha? Prepare Taila with the above drugs. It is used as abhyanga and other purposes. Jirnajvara, Kshaya, Unmada, Shwasa, Apasmara, Balya, Pushtikara, Garbhini Hitakara. Everywhere he is writing Garbhini Hitakara, not really saying for abhyanga or something like that. Abhyanjanadina. So abhyanga is one thing, but it may be considered. And he doesn't say anything about Papma. जीर्णजर क्षय उन्माद श्वास अपस्मार बल्य पुष्टिकर गर्भिणी हितकर. He doesn't say anything about papa. So I think whether Laksha has this specific action, because yesterday this question was raised, that is the Lakshadi Taila, this is the property, or these are the actions, so to say. Yaksha, Rakshasa, Bhutagana, etc. So generally the Pippala Laksha is in use, and Pippala itself is a Bodhi Vruksha or Vrukshanam Ashwattham. That is what Sri Krishna had said. So might be that People tree is very holy tree or something like that. And this has a specific action of Yaksha Rakshasa Bhutaguna kind of things. So we may have to think about this. And Laksha is available, and Laksha, it's a peculiar Upayuktanga, so to say. What actually it is exhibit, there is no doubt. But what is the chemical composition of Laksha that we may have to see, or what does it contain from Ayurvedic perspective that we may have to see, and why particular trees have this kind of Laksha. So generally, as I said, it is from Pimple or Ashwatha. There was a strange way of preparation of medicines or using of medicines by Shinde Shastri. So he said that Vrikshanam Ashwattham, so I am Ashwatha among all trees. So if I want to use any herb, I can select Ashwatha as its representative. And Shatavariyarthe Ashwatham Prayojami. Prayojami. इस प्रकार से, so he used to give any by any name this Laksha or people. Laksha palankasha laktako yavo vrukshamayo jatuh. Laksha varnya hima balya snigdha chatuvara लघु ब्राह्मण्यंगारवल्ली च कर्षाका च हंजिका अधुष्णाकोपयुक्ता सहिकाकाशज्वर प्रणो रणोरक्षत्रमीसर्प प्रविपुष्ट गदापहा अलक्तको गुणैस्तद्वत् विशेषाद् व्यङ्गनाशनः. There is no mention about this Yaksha Rakshasa etc. I think secretion by some type of insect. It's Pranija Dravya. भूतवादा असल्यास पिंपळाच्या पानावर दूध भात खायला देतात. There is pradakshina of Pipala Vriksha also done. And there is a concept that पिंपळावर मुंजा राहतो. So one who has died after Momji Bandhana, before marriage, etc., he prefers to stay, and if he is not mukta, prefers to stay on people tree. And so that way this can be inauspicious at certain places or something like that. So this tradition of giving odana or rice on people leave is also common for Swara Abhivyakti, those children who don't speak at proper times, or when it is high time for them to start speaking, then this is given, and it helps, that is seen. So I have used Mahakalyanaka Ghrita, Phalaghrita along with rice, hot rice, to be kept on people leaves, and when it becomes palatable at that temperature, it should be given to the child. And this is particularly done on Sundays. I don't know the reason, but Sundays or somewhere I have heard on Saturdays also. So eating warm ghee and rice on pipal tree leaf is advised to increase memory. Pippalodana. Okay, if you have some textual reference, that will be fine. This is traditional with less memory. Okay. So this is Rudi, there is no doubt. if it has some relevance or some somewhere given in the text, that should be fine. Appa Shastri Sakhe. So that is also good. If we get reference from original text somewhere, that will be fine. Laksha is reddish brown color resin secreted by the female lac insect, Laccifer lacca. Laccifer lacca. Okay. So it is pranija dravya only. It's not associated with this. Only time that worm stays on people vriksha. So this is new information as such. Anyway, this Lakshadi Valiya might be useful to use, and it is available. That is another important aspect over here. So we may have to think about this. Phenoshiradi Taila. Phenoshir Nishambu Kushtamadhukair Manjishta Vishwambubihi Murvalohita Yashti Sarja Katuka Sindhuta Lakshanjanaihi. Sashri कंठकणानतैस्तिलरुहं तक्रप्रचेत् षड्गुणे तत्सद्यो हरति ज्वरान् ज्वरकृतान् दाहादि शीतादिकान्. फेन समुद्रफेन. For the first time I am seeing samudrafena somewhere used in preparation of medicine. Jain texts do not encourage laksha vyapar or vapar. Okay, since this is a pranija dravya, it might be that they are not recommending it. But anyway, we are not killing the insect. That is one thing. So there is no himsa. And secondly, if it is being used for abhyanga, then that might be useful or something like that. वाग्भटात लाक्षादी फल श्रुतीत पापनचितच्या ऐवजी वातन असे सांगितले आहे. वलीय फ्रॉम सहसयोगम and Cherya from Ashtanga Hridaya, Balamaya Pratisheda, both are available. Okay. So instead of Papmajit, if it is Vatanut, the meaning would of course change. And Vagbhata is Cherya, both are available. So Fena Samudra Fena, Ushira, Nisha, Haridra, Ambu, Mustaq, Kushta, Madhuka, Manjishtha, Vishwa, Ambubhi, Ribera, Murva, Lohita, Raktachandana, Yashti. Lohita sometimes is Manjishtha. कर्ण व्याधीत समुद्र फेन खोबरेल तेलात कर्ण पुरण केल्यास तरी तो कशा मिळतो. Okay. In all karna vyadhi or specific karna vyadhi? लाक्षारस समम तैल प्रस्थम मस्तु चतुर्गणम अश्वगंधा निषादार कंति कुष्ठाब्ध चंदनैहि समूर्वा रोहिणी रास्ना शतावा मधुकै सवे लक्षितम लाक्षादिकम नाम तैलम अभ्यंजनादिदम बल्यम ज्वरक्षयोन्माद श्वासापस्वार वातम यक्षराक्षस भूतग्नं गर्भिणीनां च शस्यते वाक्पट. So he continues with it. Apasmara, Unmada, Shwas, Yaksha, Rakshasa and Bhuta. Only in place of Papnajit it is Vatana. something like that. Unfortunately, there is no critical edition of Ashtanga Hridayam, though Anna's Moreshwar Kunte has taken much pains, much efforts to bring out today's Ashtanga Hridaya edition along with the commentary. But still, there can be some certain controversies, and this might be a part of it or something like that. Because as Kushtagna, as Kushta has Papa Karma as Hetu, Laksha has been told to be Kushtagna, Karna Shula, Puya Karna Visheshata. Okay. No, but I think Papmajit is a broader term, and not only Kushta but any other Papa Karma. Leading to any other disease as such might be taken care by Lakshadi. No doubt there is a possibility to treat Kushta with this, but it might be for any disease associated with Papa Karma, or not only disease but Papa Karma alone or something like that. So if this had something to do with people tree, that might be helpful. And though in Jainism this may not be used, but doing puja of Pippala should also be fine. That I think. Takra six takra takre pachet shadguni, something like that. Tat satya bharti jvanan, jvarkratan, dahadi shitadikan. This is rather strange, dahadi shitadikan. But अन्यश्च सन्निपातोत्थो यत्र पित्तं तत्पित्तं त्वचि तपोष्टे अवादाहं पुरो विदधाति पुरोन्वा तद्वद्वातिपथो शीतम. This is what Bhagavata says in Vedantam, first chapter. Madhu also not used in Jainism. Yeah, that I know. But if we have ahimsaka way of extracting Madhu, then we may have to think about this using Madhu in Jainism. If we are killing the honeybees, then it's not good. But now the Adi Gramodyog is promoting the non-invasive way of extracting honey, in which the honeybees are not killed. But this is out of box thinking, and how many Dharma Gurus will try to understand this, I don't know. If there is any other reason for this, then that might be a different issue. But otherwise, if it is only killing of honeybees, then it may not be. And there is one Grantha, Kalyana Karaka, Jain Ayurved. Unfortunately, even Jain Vaidyas are not reading it. It is available in the market. I also purchased it, but I have not read it as such. But there are many Jainas in our group, and may they have certain insight from that Kalyana Karaka. And if there are any mentions about sadhus and sadhvis, that will be great. So the sadhus and sadhvis are doing varieties of tapa and with varieties of restrictions, and that is hampering their health. There can be certain guidance about this, how they should be doing tapa or something. Of course, this is very raw thinking, but one should read that. At least those Vaidyas are there or Jain. So Manisha Nahar, Rita Shah, maybe Yogesh Kute, I'm not sure. and any other Vaidyas, Anurag Jain or something like that. Yaksha Rakshasa Graha Agna Grahagna or partnership may be the effect of full combination of the yoga, not only Laksharasa effect. Quite possible, but there is no Falashruti of this kind in any other Tailas. So that is somewhere Lakshadi Tailam specifically says for Abhyanga in Garbhini for Pushta Garbha. It has a more wider Falashruti Trika Prushta Graha Gatra Durgandhi. Okay. So this is very good, and we start using it in Garbhini. We have not been using. They say त्यांनी गोळा केलेले फूड आपण हिरावून घेतोय असे म्हणतात. ओके. खादी ग्रामोद्योगचे पण चालत नाही. If this is the thought process, then it's rather difficult. But only thing is, if they are consuming it, whatever they have collected, and this is the exudate, I don't know. Whatever they have collected, they have consumed, and this might be the waste material that they are throwing out. And then it might be useful. Only thing is, this is Pranija product, but as we understand milk and ghee, which is also a Pranija product, not associated with the Himsa. And even Gomay Gomutra is also acceptable in Jainism. So that is also a waste material. Yes, this is the cause of that. Okay. In Jain mythology, one story comes, one sadhu had Galita Kushtha, and Vaidya in that time he had Lakshadi oil which was applied on the skin, and it removed all krimis which had penetrated till Asti had come, was taken in dead cows which had penetrated till Asti had come, was taken in dead cow's cadaver. I don't understand what you are saying. All krimis which had Lakshadi oil, Lakshapaki oil, Lakshadi oil, and it removed all krimis which had penetrated till Asti had come, was taken in dead cow's cadaver. The last I didn't understand. Only Shanandar part is slightly different, it seems. I am using Chandanbala Lakshadi Tel regularly in pregnancy till delivery and after it for mother and baby for Abhyanga. It also contains Laksha, Chandanbala Lakshadi. So Chandanbala Lakshadi is quite in use. Only this Yaksha Rakshasa Bhutagna is a typical Falashu and Unmada and Apasmara. Otherwise, Chandanbala Lakshadi is a good tale for Abhyanga, particularly for Yakshma. But maybe we have to think about this. But I think those Jain Vaidyas should start reading Kalyana Karakam. It is available with Malakarnika publication, and Girir Gandhi himself is Jain. So this might be a good move. People tree Laksha is best. Laksha alone is Bhutatwara Artinashana. Okay. So that is what I was considering, that it might be having this particular action, and might be it is the people tree. So Madhu has salivation of bees, which is full of Laliya Jiva. It is believed that all the body secretions has lot of Sukshma Jiva, plus eating Madhu may increase lobha and parigraha. Anyway, I don't want to enter the controversies regarding dharma and arogya. There are so many controversies in every religion as such. And even in Hinduism, the concept of upvasa, today's upvas with sabudana and mungfali, etc., is a big controversy. So those traditions which have entered in a strange way, both should be avoided as such. But anyway, I leave it to you. And if you find something in Kalyana Karaka, because Madhu is one of the Paramaushadha. Bhrutataila and Madhu, these are Paramaushadhas. And why should we refrain from Paramaushadha? That is another important aspect. So, what is the mention about Madhu in Kalyana Karaka? If you get that, then that will be authentic reference. And that will be better or something like that. So prepare tail with the above drugs with Kalka. Okay. So you have read this, and it is the Guda in place of Madhu. Fine. I don't want to go ahead with this discussion anymore. But if we consider, though there are very religious Jainas, that is one thing, and there are rebellions as well. So taking food before sunset is one of the important rules, and many people are now not following that rule. Many Jainas are not following that rule. औषध म्हणून घ्यायला हरकत नसावी as a food may not be. So it is a matter of discussion and other things, and if at all we have to compromise on something, where to compromise and where not to compromise, this is again a big question. So as far as Gomutra is concerned, I heard that it is anaharya, so it can be accepted or something like that. But otherwise it is difficult. For preparation of ornament, sealing envelope also Laksha used. Yeah, that is yet another important aspect. But anyway, we are getting away from our original objective. So this is Takre Pachat Shadguna Takra, Jwara Kruta Daha and Shita. So Daha and Shita both. This is rather strange. And Shitadi Dahakrut, initially there is Shaitya and then there is Daha, as I told you that particular Sandipata Avastha. This might be useful. So Brungalarkadi Tailam. भृंगालर्क वृषभ व्याघ्री वृश्चिकाली पुनर्नवाः स्फूर्जकं सिन्धुवारञ्च कपोतात् तामलच्यपि पुण्डलीकासमर्दञ्च द्वादशेषां रसे पचति त्रयोदशांश तिलजं कल्कैरेभिर्विपाचेत् पिप्पल्यग्निवचा वत्स कोलग्रन्थिकतोयदैः विशालातिविशाकौन्ति चव्यत्र्यूषण जीरकैः भाङ्गीमूर्वा महानिम्बफलदीप्यकसर्षपैः निगुतिक्तविडङ्गैश्च तत्सिद्धं तिलजं जयेत् कासं पञ्चविधं श्वासम् अशेषं जयति क्षणात्. So Pippali etc. these are the Kalkadravyas. Vacha, Vatsaka, Kutaja, Kola, Granthika, Pippali Mula. Toyada Musta Vishala, Indra, Ativisha, Kaunti, Renuka, Chavya. Chanda Gugulu. त्रिविषण जीरक भारंगी मूर्वा महानिंब फला त्रिफला दीप्यक सर्षप हिंगु तिक्ता विडंग भृंगराज अलर्क वृष व्याघ्री वृश्चिकाली पुनर्नवा स्फूर्जिका सिंधुवार निर्गुंडी. व्हाट इज स्फूर्जिका? स्फूर्जक. कपोत तामलकी भूम्यामलकी कुंडली गुरुची and कासमर्दक्षय कुंडलिका is there. Prepare tailor Panchavidha Kasa Shwasa. So whether this is available in the market or not, but particularly for Shwasa and Kasa, they have to think about this in general, etc. But not so common, available Vaidyaratna. Tekarari, we read earlier, there is Gandhaka, which is not mentioned in this part. I will check with my book. It's not with me now. So telling us to use internally for Kasa and Shwasa. Available Vaidyaratnam. So this is fine. Gugulyadi Taila. Gugulu Marichavidange Sarshapakasi Sarjarasa Mustaihi. In Hindi, Panchakasa Shwasa and Shota. Okay. Here there is no Shota. So I think it's better to bring out a new edition of Sahasra Yoga with correction of the mistakes in this and with proper translation. And this is not a very big job also. May require 1 month. And but should be useful. And secondly, what I feel is revival of reading original Sanskrit text in Kerala has to begin. So there might be good Vaidyas. Tinduka Tempurni, okay, who are good in Sanskrit. But most of the people are either using Malayalam or using Hindi or English translations. And it's better to go back to original text and practice those things. So there is a need of this kind. Now there is a revival of reading original Sanskrit text in Maharashtra, particularly by Kolhatkar sir, and we are followers of Kolhatkar sir, etc. So the same thing should happen all over India, and people should go back to original text, maybe along with commentary, maybe without commentary, whatever it may be. but it's better to go back to original texts. गुग्गुल मरीच वेडंगैः सर्षपकासी सर्जरस मुस्तैः श्रीवेष्ट ताल गंधैः मनश्शिला कुष्ठकंपिल्लैः उभय हरिद्रा सहितैः चक्री तैलेन मिश्रितैरेभिः. Maybe Malayalam also with Sanskrit. Yeah, not only Malayalam, but Sanskrit and translated into Malayalam. That will be a better choice. And one should read that Sanskrit. Otherwise, there is no point. If we are just following Malayalam translation, then it has no sense as such. So, Chakri Taila, this is another important aspect over here. So, this is the Dinakara Karabi Taptahi Kushtan Gushtancha Nashtancha. So, this is Suryapaki Tail, Gugulyadi Tail. Chakri Tailena Mishritahi Ebihi. So, all these are to be taken as Pulkadravyas. Tala, Talaka, Gandha. So, this might be Hartala, Manashila, Kushta, Kampilla. Hartala and Manashila are used together. Here it is Gandhaka, Hartala and Manashila. Ubhaya Haridra. Exposed it to sun, Kushta. So, after how many days this is ready? When could I call you? Maybe immediately after lecture, that will be better. So, so I'm thinking of using sunlight. I just read that heard that interview of Dilip Kulkarni and Purnima Kulkarni, and they are residing in a remote village and are dedicated to ecology. And one of the ways of conservation of energy that he has explained is a totally different explanation. That he said that we have to use solar energy to maximum extent. So whatever work we have to do, we have to finish it during daytime. No extension of work at night after sunset. So after sunset, we finish off everything and go to bed and get up early in the morning. No, getting up early in the morning is a good custom, there is no doubt. And there are many other advantages that have been said about that. But this whole concept of conservation of energy for getting up early in the morning as a reason, this is admiring. And so you use the daylight to full extent, and he only uses electricity 1 unit or maximum 2 units for 1 month. Only after sunset for few time he uses that electricity, and maybe in the morning, early morning, might be using it. And he doesn't have television or anything else, so there is no chance for consuming electricity. And he still has to bear bare minimum charges 70 rupees. So he says, I'm most expensive electricity user, 70 rupees for 1 unit or something like that. But anyway, what I feel, where are they? They are near Dapoli, Kothavade, if I remember. Kothavade is the village, and I visited their place and seen how they live. It's a mud house made from mitti, and they use only 6 to 7 liters water for bathing, and that is sufficient. No use of soap, and at the most udvartana. That's all. All kesha tela punavale. It's not Kothawade, it is Punavale. All kesha tela are said to be only using sunlight, no use of Agni at all. Okay, so Surya Paki, this is a good thing to do. Just soak these dravyas in oil and quickly keep it in bright sunlight. That should be fine. And then just filter it. So again, this is a good thing to do. And Gandhaka not there in Tekaraja, Thailand. I think Sir had told to give combination of Tekaraj oil and Gandhaka Dhruti for internal use in Shwasa Asa. Oh, alo. BU. But here Tekaraja with Tilak oil base is to be used. Chakri tail is the tail that can be extracted from this lakdi gham. So it absorbs tail to a great extent, and then that can be taken out and used after when it is saturated or something like that. So after how many days they do, I don't know, but this might be a thing. We may also look in Ayurvedic Shabda Kosh as such for this. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. Ayurveda prakando nigaditaiha shalyatantra pradhanah shishrebhyashashvatoyam nikhilajana krupa vyapta chitte nayena ayurvedasya vanchan punarapivane tancha sushtu pratishtham shreshtham dhanvantarintam pranamati cha sada vaidyavargo hinunam विरम्यते व्याख्यान व्यापारात श्वः पुनरुपविश्यामः. Which oil you have? Which source? I don't understand what you are saying. Which oil do you have? Which source? There is one organic shop over here. If you are talking about legal oil, groundnut oil, sustainable stores, they have this organic groundnut oil, which is costing around 350 rupees per liter, that we purchase in 5-liter can and use. One of our patient also prepares this, and that is fine. That is the reference for Kesha tail preparation, Agni not to be used. I'm not aware. Those one who has, I think Prachi Tanode or Prachi Tavade now has put that reference. Maybe ask her if she knows about that. So all oils from Brotre used to treat Palitya. बाणेरला ZBNF स्टोर आहे त्यांच्याकडे मिळते. ZBNF स्टोर तेल मिळतं ते शेंगदाण्याचं.
आपल्या ग्रुपवर पण मिळतं आता 300 रुपये किलो.
300 रुपये लिटर. ठीक आहे, छान.
घेऊन बघायला त्यांचं.
So then that should be fine. SPNF or ZBNF should be fine. So we try to use that. Anyway, we conclude today. and continue tomorrow.